Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 9.3 question number 2. Complete the table. Let us complete this table. First expression, second expression, you have to find the product. First of all, we solve question number 1. Question number 1 is A into B plus C plus D. That will be equal to A into B plus A into C plus A into D. That will be equal to AB plus AC plus AD. Question number 1. Question number 2 is 5xy. Question number 2 is 5xy into x plus y minus 5. That we are getting 5 into this one, that is 5 into x square y plus 5 xy square x y square. Plus into minus is minus. 5 is 25 xy, and that is the answer. That is 5 x square y plus 5 xy square minus 25 xy. Now question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is p into 6p square minus 7p plus 5. Therefore we are getting 6p square into p is p cube, 6p cube. Minus into plus is minus 7. P into p is p square plus 5p. And that is the answer. Plus 5p. So 6p cube minus 7p square plus 5p. We'll solve question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is 4 p square q square into p square minus q square. Therefore we are getting, that is 4 p square and p square is p to the power 4 q square minus 4 p square. Q square and q square is q to the 4, and that is the answer. That is 4 p is 4 p to the 4 q square minus 4 p square q to the 4. Now solve question number 5. Question number 5 here you see is ABC A B C into A plus B plus C. Therefore we are getting A into A square BC, A square BC plus A P into B square C plus AB C square. Right? This is the result. Right? Therefore we have given here the product. Here also this is the first expression, second expression, multiply and got the result. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.